Hello everyone, welcome to NityaCloudtech. This is the part 2 of Numpy section. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can access a specific element of Numpy array. So let's start. First, let me import Numpy library. Okay. Now let's say I have simple one list, my list, and I can put value 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can call this list into Numpy. So I have passed this list and see now we have array 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say I'm assigning this value in AR1, and if I do and if I select AR1 now, and if I call AR1 now, then I have this 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's say if I need to access a specific value, so let's say I have to access 2. So what I can do, I can type AR1 and it starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can put 1 here. So see. Okay. And in the another way, like if I talk about another example, so we can use np.arrange, and let's take few value, let's say 0 to 9. Now let's say if I want to see 7. So what I can do, let me assign first this in, let's say AR2, and now let me call AR2. So now we are able to see whole value. Now let's say if I need to see 4, so I can simply type 4 here and I can see. Okay. And let's say if I need to see 7, then I can type 7. So as per the requirement, I can mention value here. Okay. So let's say if I type 9, then what will happen? It will give the error because it is out of bound. We can give max value till 8. Okay. And if I can 0 to 10, then in that case we can pass 9 as well. First I need to run this, and now I can execute this as well. Okay. I hope this is fine for all of you. Okay. Now let's see guys, if I need to select a specific value, let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I can do, I can simply do 0 to 5. So see, I can see 0 to 5, or I can see 1 to 5. So whatever the requirement, I can pass the parameter, or I can pass the range here, and then accordingly I can see the value. Now let's say if I need to change the value of 1 to 5, then I can change. It is mutable. I can change the value as well. So let's say 50. Okay, now let me call AR2. So see, we have changed 1 to 5. 5 means n minus 1. So 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on starting, it start from 0. So we haven't taken 0 here. So that's why 0 have not changed. And after that, these 4 values have changed. Now if you see this specific value, let's say AR2 and then 1 to 5, you will be able to see only this one, 50, 50, 50, which we have changed. Okay, if I need to again change the value, then I can simply put AR2 equals to np.arrange and then simply 0 to 9. Now if I call again AR2, you can see the value has been changed. Okay, now let's say if I need to copy the array 2, so how can I do? Let me show you. AR2, first let me change value, let's say AR2 0 to 5, and I'm assigning value, let's say 40 this time. Okay, and AR2 is this one. Okay, so if you see, these values have been changed. Now what I'm doing, I'm copying this AR2 into the another array. So how can we do that? AR3 and then np dot copy, and I can pass this AR2. Okay, see, if I now see AR3 value, so see, it is similar. So it is just a copy or replica of AR2. If I change in AR3, then there will not be any effect on AR2. So let me show you. Let's say if I change AR3, let's say AR3 equals to np dot arrange and 0 to 9. AR3. So AR3 has been changed, but if I check AR2, so AR2 has different value. So like this, as per the requirement, we can use different function of NumPy. Now let's see if I need to see the slice of data. Slice meaning, let me show you. Let's say we have AR4 and NP dot arrange. Let's say 0 to 10. Okay, AR4 have this value. Now let's say if I want to see all the value using slice, so what I can do, I can type AR4 here, and this is the, no, this is the, I can say, sign of slice. So if I select this only, putting slice, I will get all the values. Now let's say I want to show after, let's say after second index. So my second index is 2. So if I type this AR4 and then 2 and then colon, so I will get value from 2 to 9, 2 to whatever the last element. See, okay, if I type, let's say, last value 9, in that case I need to put colon here, so I will get value from all the starting value, I can say. So 0 to 8. So 9 will not cover because it is n minus 1. I have already mentioned in my previous video as well. Okay, and if I put 5 here, so so if you see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so you will get value 4 to 0. Let me show you. See, okay, like this you can use. Okay,